So this is our Regent Park. This used to be one of the hoods of Toronto. And most of it's all torn down now to create like condos. So basically it's like, it used to all be like apartments and townhouses. It takes place like downtown Toronto, between like Gerrard, Dundas, Parliament, all these streets, but there's barely anything left. A lot of the buildings are now like abandoned or being decommissioned. So here you can see they had the townhouses too. And basically the streetcar runs down here. It's right downtown, so it's easy to get to. But a lot of the shops are still here. So here's one of the buildings from the front. As you can see, no one really lives here anymore. It's just too bad, but if you're into like Toronto rap music, back in the day there was endless Toronto rappers from here. And as you can see, all the buildings are now being turned into condos. But this used to be home to like thousands of people. The area is huge. There's also like a lot of charities and stuff up here. So there's also a lot of shopping up here too.